Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share and subscribe for more content.
Are you studying now?
No, I'm preparing to go out.
Can I have a notebook?
Certainly. Do you need a big or small one?
Is she your friend?
No, I just met her today.
Do you want breakfast?
No, I already ate.
Is it your pen?
No, that's not mine.
Is it your key?
Yes, thanks for finding it.
Where is the dress?
It's hanging by the back door.
Can I have some?
Of course. Take as much as you like.
Is this your homework?
No, that's my brother's homework.
What is his song?
This song is a pop.
May I use your phone?
Sure, here you go.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I need 1 glass of water.
May I have a cookie, please?
Of course, help yourself.
Where are your shoes?
They're outside the door.
Do you like chocolate?
I like brown chocolate.
May I take a break?
Sorry, not right now.
Are you playing games?
Yes, I'm playing football with friend.
Is it too far?
Yes, it's almost 100 kilometers.
What's your favorite transportation?
I like traveling by airplane.
Can I come in?
Sure, you can come in.
Do you prefer mountains or beaches?
I prefer mountains.
Is she your cousin?
Yes, but we're more like siblings.
Have you ever missed a flight?
No, I've never missed one.
What's your cat name?
My cat name is Mao.
What's the best way to explore a new city?
Walking and using maps.
Is your dad home?
Yes, he's just reached home.
What's the most comfortable way to travel?
First class on the flight.
Where is my seat?
You can seat 2 row back.
May I borrow your pencil?
I'm sorry, but I need it.
What's your teacher's name?
He's called John.
Are you hungry?
No, I don't feel like eating.
May I sit on this chair?
Sorry, it's taken.
Are you going shopping?
Yes, do you want to go with me?
May I use the restroom?
Sure, it's right over there.
Can I drink coffee?
Of course we have different kinds.
Is the book good?
Yes, it's one of the best.
May I join you?
Sure, you're welcome.
Are you sleeping?
No, I'm watching TV.
Where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
Where are your parents?
They went office.
Are you a doctor?
No, I am an engineer.
Are you working tomorrow?
No, I'll take leave tomorrow.
Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I need it for my office work.
Do you like tea?
No, I like coffee.
How long have you been here?
I'll stay here for a month.
Do you like this color?
No, I prefer bright color.
Are you reading a book?
No, I'm just looking at some notes.
Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course.
Are you playing soccer?
No, I'm too tired to play today.
Are you watching TV?
Yes, I'm watching a movie.
What are you two talking about?
We're talking about college.
Can I call you?
Why not, anytime?
Where did you work before?
No, I didn't work anywhere.
Are you going to college?
Yes, I have classes this morning.
Where is the restroom?
It's on the other side of the room.
Do you work in a drugstore?
No, I work in a bank.
Can I have a napkin?
Sure. Do you need more than one?
Do you eat bread?
Yes, I like the bread test.
Can I borrow a pen?
Of course. Do you need more anything?
Could you exchange this, please?
No, your time is up.
What is he doing?
He's writing a letter.
Is your brother okay?
Okay, he's had a rough week.
Is the battery connected correctly?
Yes, it is connected properly.
Can we eat now?
No, the oven is still on.
Can we go now?
Yes, we've waited long.
Can you please say the again?
Yes, I say again.
Would you please spell your name?
Yes, of course.
Where does your teacher live?
He lives in the Canada.
When do we leave?
We'll go a little later.
Would you like to stay in the Canada?
Yes, I'll stay here for 2 years.
How old are you?
I am 25-year-old.
Will you be my friend?
Of course, we are friends now.
How are you today?
I am much better today.
What do you want to see here?
I want to go to the park for play.
What did you say?
I didn't say anything.
When did you arrive here?
I arrived here 2 hours ago.
What do you like cold drink?
Yes, I like cold drink.
When will they come?
They will come at night.
Where do you work?
I work at a post office.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you speak France?
No, I don't speak France.
Is it sunny today?
No, it is cloud today.
What time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 9 p.m.
Are you a teacher?
No, I am not a teacher.
Do you play the guitar?
No, I don't play the guitar.
Do you have a table for 3?
Yes, we have a table available.
Can I have the bill, please?
Sure, here's your bill.
What are your opening hours?
We are open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Can I withdraw money from my account?
No, you can't withdraw money from the ATM.
Where can I find dairy products?
Dairy products are located in aisle 5.
Do you have any discount on fruits today?
Yes, there is discounts on apple.
Have you ever traveled alone?
Yes, I've traveled alone before.
Where is the nearest hospital?
The hospital is downtown.
How do you book a hotel?
You can book online.
Have you ever run a marathon?
No, but it's on my bucket list.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find gardening very relaxing.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is the dolphin.
Have you ever been camping?
Yes, I love camping in the mountains.
What's your favorite board game?
My favorite board game is Monopoly.
Do you have a lucky number?
Yes, my lucky number is 12.
What's your favorite way to stay active?
I enjoy cycling round the park.
What's your favorite ice cream?
I love chocolate chip ice cream.
Well done following our English class today. You did very well to listen and learn so much. Your support helps us to make more quality content for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comments for more lessons. Thank you.